everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I am bringing you guys some new coupons to print. I finally went to coupons.com, and there's some good ones that you guys want to print right away, because these are pretty good ones and they'll disappear. Sorry, my camera keeps moving. So this one's new, Silk Omega 3, if you guys want to go ahead and do that. They did add the Purina Dog Chow. If you guys need that, there is a deal right now with Ibotta if you guys need to go ahead and get some dog food. They did add some Clorox toilet and the Scentiva mop coupons. I'm going to print this one off just in case. We got a couple different new ones that I'm going to bring down to you guys so you guys can check this out. But definitely go ahead and use swag bucks. I would definitely do that. I get points for every coupon that I print, and then I save those for gift cards for the end of the year. Okay, so here we got a $2 off 2 Ivory soap and deodorant. I'm going to print that up. I think there's going to be some kind of deal with that. But we did get Rimmel coupons. We got $2 off Rimmel coupons. So print those off, you guys. We got face, eye, and lip protect. So definitely print those off. I don't know how long those will last. Those are high value kind of coupons because those are ones that we rarely ever get. So they will disappear super, super fast. But I think that was it. They have some other silk. Miss Charlotte says hello in the background. But that is it. That is it, you guys. So definitely print out those Rimmel ones. I also printed the Bella ones, but I just realized we got those in our insert. Or I got some of my inserts the other day. So just giving you guys a heads up, print those coupons, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.